Hey guys, happy new year. Happy new year. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I just wanted to share with you my 2017 favorite hair products. I know I just posted a video showing all of my products that I've bought. I just wanted to narrow it down to share with you what's my favorite of all of them. So let's get into the video. The way that I style my hair, that's the way that I'm going to share with you. So let's start off with my shampoos, my cleansers. My favorites right now is this Cantu. This Cantu is the bomb. It's the apple cider vinegar root rinse. I love it. What I love about it is it removes all product buildup. It makes your hair feel so like clean, like squeaky clean. And it just removes everything. The other shampoo that I love, that I started actually 1 year ago using, is this Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Grow shampoo from Shea Moisture. This shampoo just clarifies, it just removes all buildup. This right here I originally purchased because I had recently dyed my hair. I was growing it out. I was restoring my curls. I feel like I always am. Chemically treated hair. Recently just dyed the tips of my curls. So this is a really good shampoo. It's bubbly, sudsy. I probably shampoo my hair about once or twice a month. A product that's less harsh on your hair is this Co-Wash Diva Curl Co-Wash Decadence. Oh my gosh, this is everything. This changed the game for me. It's just so soft and creamy. It's like a milk consistency on your scalp. My roots will feel like butter. It is so nice. Now on to my conditioners. The conditioners that I love the most is this Creme de la Creme by Miss Jessies. This is a really nice conditioner. I love a slippery good conditioner, like a good detangling conditioner. So I love that one. One conditioner that I would say is like in the drugstore budget is this Garnier. This guy is really good. Like, kudos to you, Garnier, because this repairing conditioner, there's so much slip. It just, my hair just loves it. It strengthens and it heals damage. So I don't know what curly girl out there that does not want damage-free hair. That's pretty much all my products, that what they're made for is locking in moisture, controlling frizz. So this guy is really nice. And for 2017, my favorite, hands down, deep conditioner. I did a video on this one, the Super Sweetback treatment. I am obsessed with this deep conditioner. I really try. If I have time to deep condition twice a week, I want to do it. And all I want to use is this deep conditioner. It literally melts in your hair. It's so good. And now on to leave-ins. Once I get out of the shower, my hair has to have some leave-in conditioner. So my favorite for 2017, I actually have 4 of them. One which is like that drugstore price, which again, I bring it to you, it's that Garnier. So this Garnier leave-in, it just softens your hair. It defines each curl, which is very surprising, you know, from like a low budget hair product. The other leave-ins, this is like $22, but I mention it all the time. So this is the leave-in conditioner from Mix Chicks. I use the crap out of this product. It's actually in my hair right now because I love it so much. So another favorite is from the Blueberry Bliss line, this Curls leave-in. It's the reparative leave-in. Again, it restores, it protects, it conditions your hair. Love a leave-in conditioner. And last but not least, it's an OG of 2017. So this is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. So this is an oldie but a goodie, and it might be drugstore price too. I think it's like $12, you know. So again, these are just my favorite leave-ins. Now on to the creams of my hair. The creams of my hair. And now on to my favorite creams of 2017. That goes to the Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. My favorite time to use this is actually in the summer because of the humidity outside in New York. This just holds in and locks in all the moisture into my hair. So keeps my hair hydrated, keeps it bouncing. The other one that I've been into for the winter, actually, more like now, this Mix Chicks one, it's for coil, kink, and curl styling cream. It conditions, retains moisture, promotes growth, adds definition. This one I would highly recommend for wash and goes. You're out the door, your hair is gonna, you know, just juice up and look so nice throughout the day. It's actually like a thicker consistency than I thought it would be, but it works for all hair textures. This cream actually has a really nice hold to it. Actually, both of them do, so let's back that up. One I would say is more for the summer, one is for the winter, but I love them both. So now we're into gel, and what does gel do? Gel is what seals and holds and locks in to make sure that your hair literally lasts for days. So the two favorite gels that I love because there's still movement in your hair when you put these gels in your hair is actually, again, bringing back to the curls jelly. Now this jelly is super expensive. I would recommend going to like a Bed Bath & Beyond, bringing a 20% off coupon, or just waiting until Curls has a really great deal and then you stock up on this jelly, but I really like it. This is actually, I think, my 3rd bottle of it for the year, so this one I would recommend. It's just more on the expensive side. One that's not as expensive is this Mielle styling gel. My favorite part about this Mielle is actually the little pump. It just makes it so convenient, like just a pump, you know, and just like apply what you need. I think all products should have a pump because it just makes it so much easier. It's the honey and ginger line. This smell is super strong, but it smells really good. So with this product, you have a lot of movement. It just enhances your curl definition. I appreciate these two buddies. Okay, now for the Edge Gel. I bring to you Mielle. So this is the Mielle Flexible Hold Edge Gel. It holds both soft and manageable, and it's very flexible in your hair, so it's not stiff. You don't feel like you have to wash your hair the next day, which I hate about edges because it's just like, it just feels so waxy. I don't like that feeling whatsoever. So this has been my favorite edge gel that I have found, that I've tried out for 2017. So I would recommend this to you if that's something that you like, you know, if you like that. Now when it comes down to oils that I used in 2017, my 2 favorite that I loved, and of course it's for hair growth, was the rosemary oil, and I love Jamaican castor oil. Now rosemary oil is very light. You could just massage it through your scalp, you know, it smells really good. You could do that within the week, beginning of the week, whenever. Now black castor oil, I would definitely recommend to do it like the day before your wash day, to massage that throughout your scalp, because it is very, very thick. I'm just notating that for you, but I feel like it has helped me throughout my growth process right now for this year. And now just to wrap up, it's actually the tools. So very simple to start it off is a water bottle. It makes refreshing your hair like day 2, day 3 so much easier. You don't have to soak up your whole head in the shower or anything. You just spritz it on with a water bottle. The next tool that I really love is this guy, this Conair. It's used to massage your scalp. I just like go crazy and go in with this on my head. You can also use it for a pick. So the next tool that I used in 2017, it's not a huge brush, but it's a small brush. I love this guy because even if it was just for like my edges, like I just wanted to make it look sleek, I also could just brush and comb very lightly if I was putting like a sleek bun up or something like that, but I never use like the big thick brushes, and it's worked out so far. So get you one of these babies. It's like maybe $2 at a beauty supply store. And then for the cold months in the year, I actually use my diffuser. Cannot live without a diffuser. So this was just to dry my hair if I didn't want to leave the house soaking wet. It would dry my hair in about 20-30 minutes. So that wraps it up for my 2017 favorite hair products. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys own any of these products, let me know. Let me know what your favorite is or what I should try out for 2018. I don't know what brand to try out. So let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you guys next week. Bye. It's recording.
Oh.
Like, can you do this?
This would be like a behind the scenes.
Really?